Hi, today we're gonna make eggs and tofu with tomato sauce. And that's the tofu we're gonna use. I use a soft. If you want it like the firm one, that's fine. But I'm using the soft one. So we cut it up in a in a little square pieces. Show you how to do it. Just stick it out. They are really soft. So you cut it like that in the middle. And you cut it kind of square pieces. Yeah, there you go. So you just drink the water. Let it drink the water a little bit. Then we're gonna cut the tomatoes. We're gonna use around 2 to 3 tomatoes, depend on how big. Yeah. So you cut that in a little slice pieces, just like that. Cut the stem off. There. I think probably enough, two should be enough like that much. Okay, then you put on the side here. Then we're gonna beat up 4 eggs. So we're gonna put little seasoning in it, like little salt and some pepper, white pepper or black pepper, be okay. We're gonna put one tablespoon of cornstarch in it too. So just like that. And you beat that up. Okay, then you turn on the heat here. Then also we're gonna put some salt in the tofu and black pepper. Then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in it. Kind of mix them together, like that. All right. Then I think it's getting hot right now, so we're gonna put some oil in it. And now we're gonna cook the tofu first. Try to cook them up a little bit, kind of brown them up a little bit. They're really easy to cook. Just cook them, kind of brown them real lightly. You don't have to be real brown, so just cook them yeah, kind of brown, be okay. See? Kind of little yellow, little brown. Here you can see them browning up. Pretty close, almost. Okay, and now we're gonna put the egg in there. Yeah, they're running out pretty good right now. So we're gonna put the egg in it. Yeah. So you just push it. You don't have to go. You don't have to go. Kind of turn them, but you just push side by side like that. Yeah, and put some green. You're gonna put some green onion in it. Okay, turn the heat down a little bit. You don't have to do that real fast. You just go real slow. So make sure they don't break in too small pieces. Okay, we're gonna put them up. Put it on the side right now. So right there. Then you turn back up the water, the heat, oil in it. We're gonna start putting the gingers. About one tablespoon of gingers and 1 tablespoon of garlic. And you keep stir them up. And also, we're gonna put the chopped up red onions in it. Guys, you can use white onions or red onion, be okay. So. Like that. And now you can see you can brown the onion up a little bit. And now you're gonna put the chopped up tomato in it. The tomato, kind of make it kind of cook them down a little bit. Because you need to have some sauce, from the tomatoes. And you put 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry. And some black pepper. And you put about 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup in. Okay. And also you're going to put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now we're gonna put a little water in it. Probably have a quarter cup of water. I think we're gonna put one more tablespoon of sugar in it. That means altogether around 3 tablespoons. Okay. And put your green onions in it. And now we're gonna put the egg in it. Right there. And the onions. Okay. Then we're gonna scoop that. Okay, here's a tofu egg with tomato sauce.